Ever wondered how to style those trendy curtain bangs without spending hours in front of the mirror? Curtain bangs, the chic and versatile fringe style that frames the face like a beautiful window dressing, have been making waves in the hair world. Loved by celebrities and hair enthusiasts alike, they add a touch of elegance to any hair length or texture. In this video, we're going to let you in on 2 secret techniques to style curtain bangs. One is a heat-free method, perfect for those who want to avoid heat damage and maintain the health of their hair. The other involves using heat styling tools, ideal for those who want a more polished look. Each method is simple and easy to follow, and will leave you with stunning, effortless curtain bangs. Ready to transform your look with effortless curtain bangs? Stay tuned! First up, let's dive into the heat-free method for perfect curtain bangs. This technique is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and it's perfect for those who want to avoid damaging their hair with heat. Step 1, you'll need to grab a wide-tooth comb and gently brush your bangs out. This ensures that your hair is smooth and tangle-free before you begin styling. Now, on to step 2. Take a small section of your bangs and twist it away from your face. This motion is key to creating that soft, curtain-like effect. Once you've twisted your section, secure it with a bobby pin. Repeat this step with each section of your bangs until all are twisted away from your face and secured. For the third and final step, you'll need to wait a bit. Leave your twisted and pinned bangs for about 15 to 20 minutes. This time allows your hair to set and take on the shape of the twists. Now, for the moment of truth. After your waiting period, carefully remove the bobby pins and let your bangs fall naturally. You'll see that they've taken on a soft, curtain-like shape, framing your face beautifully. And voila! You've just styled your curtain bangs without any heat. Isn't that simple? This method not only protects your hair from potential heat damage, but also gives you effortlessly chic curtain bangs. And the best part? You can do it all in the comfort of your own home. Now, if you're more comfortable using heat styling tools, we've got you covered. Let's walk through the steps to achieve that perfect curtain bang look using a curling iron. First off, safeguard your lovely locks by spritzing on some heat protectant spray. This is an important step, as it shields your hair from potential heat damage. Once that's done, it's time to get curling. Select a small section of your bangs and wrap it around the barrel of your curling iron. Hold this for a few seconds and voila, you've created a curl. Continue with this process until all of your bangs have been curled. Here's a pro tip. Let your hair cool down before moving to the next step. Once your curls have cooled, gently run your fingers through them to soften the look. This will give you those gorgeous, flowy curtain bangs we're aiming for. And there you have it. 2 super easy ways to style your curtain bangs. Whether you prefer a heat-free or a heat-styled look, there's a method for everyone. It's all about finding what works for you. So go ahead and experiment with these techniques. Discover the style that not only suits your hair type, but also your personality. Remember, your hair is your crowning glory, so make it count. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more hairstyling tips and tricks. Stay fabulous!